how do we create short links using Bitly? Okay, so suppose you want to share this news and this is the link of that, and you just want to create a short version of it. You need to follow these steps to shorten a link. When you shorten a link in Bitly, you get to take advantage of the advanced link shortening features like customizing your short URLs using UTMs, creating a QR code, and more. Okay, so if you just need a basic short link to share, press enter or return on your keyboard after you enter the long URL, just like this, and you will be asked to sign up and get your link. So it is advised to first create an account. If you don't have a Bitly account, just go to sign up and click the free option here. Let's get started. All you have to do is give your email, a password, and a bunch of steps, or you can just sign up using your Google account and you are ready to go. Now, to shorten a link in Bitly, first you have to log into your account. Number 2, click create new in the top left corner and select link. You can also press B on your keyboard as a shortcut. Enter the link you would like to shorten in the destination field. Optionally add title to make your link easier to find later on. Here we are going to give something like test news, something like that. Now if you have a paid subscription with a custom domain, select your domain, or if you are a new user, you don't have any option really but to use bit.ly as your domain name. Enter a custom back half to make your link more unique. Your limit for custom back halves depends on your plan. So this is all the premium features. Let's ignore all this. Toggle the QR code option to create a QR code for this link. With some paid plans, you can also modify the QR code. Toggle the link in bio option to add this link to your Bitly link in bio. After you create the link, head over to your link in bio page to publish it. Select create in the bottom right corner. Your link will be created and copied to your clipboard, ready for you to share. So that's all for this video. I really hope that this video helped you to get on board with Bitly link shortening service. For more such awesome contents, please subscribe to my channel. This is Avik signing off. Catch you in the next one.